In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use math functions to update custom values in GoHighLevel. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to efficiently implement math operations within your platform, allowing you to dynamically adjust custom values with precision and ease. To get started, you'll first need to create a custom value or custom field. Begin by navigating to the Settings section of your GoHighLevel account. Here you'll find the options for custom values and custom fields. Both serve slightly different purposes, but share the common goal of storing specific data. Custom values are usually applied across your entire account, whereas custom fields are more client-specific. Deciding between the two depends on your particular needs and how you intend to use the data. Once in the correct section, create the necessary fields to store your data, with examples including total price, discount, remaining balance, and lead score. These fields will be crucial in allowing you to perform math operations later on in the process. Next, you'll want to open up a workflow that you either want to create a new or edit an existing one. To do this, head over to the Automation menu and select Workflows. Inside your chosen workflow, consider adding an action that will serve your intended purpose. Some common actions include Update Contact Field, If-Else Decisions, Math Operation, or Set Custom Value. Each action provides its own unique way to manipulate and utilize your data, so choose according to your desired outcome. The heart of this guide lies within utilizing math expressions in your workflows. GoHighLevel provides a robust set of functionalities to help you perform mathematical calculations using operators. The beauty of this feature is that it allows you to dynamically adjust and compute values based on real-time data. Here's a quick rundown of supported operators and how you might use them. To add a specific number to a custom value, you could use an expression like getValue, mul plus 10. On the flip side, if subtraction is what you need, you can adjust your field with hash value, as a 5. Multiplication is just as straightforward. To double a value, use an expression like value. 2. When division comes into play, you might use something similar to value. 4. Additionally, you can compute percentages, which is useful for applying discounts or calculating growth rates. This can be achieved with an expression such as value, 10, 100 to calculate 10%, for example. These formulas are versatile tools that enable you to make data-driven adjustments quickly and effectively. By meticulously following these steps, you'll leverage GoHighLevel's math functions to their fullest potential, offering a streamlined way to update your custom values. Experiment with different math operations to see how they can best serve your organizational needs. With practice, you'll find these skills invaluable for tailoring your workflow automation and enhancing your data management efficiency.